ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Sa Savan सहज अकेली खरीद है, सहज अकेली खरीद है, मरण पे याद खमाए, मरण पे याद खमाए, मरण पे याद खमाए, मरण पे याद खमाए। सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, रुदया है रुदया, रुदया है रुदया। सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, सावन सरस मना गन बरसे। हर बिन नींद भूख को कैसी, हर बिन नींद भूख को कैसी, कबर तन न सुखावे, कबर तन न सुखावे, कबर तन न सुखावे, कबर तन न सुखावे। सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, रुदया है रुदया, रुदया है रुदया। सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, सावन सरस मना गन बरसे, सावन सरस मना गन बरसे। नानक सा सुहागन कंदी, नानक सा सुहागन कंदी, तिलके आगे समावे, तिलके आगे समावे, तिलके आगे समावे, तिलके आगे समावे। सावन सरस मना गन
sarsa kana man varse. Savan is a season in India. It's a rainy season. Guru Nanak Dev in this Shabd Rag Tukhari, he's tried to describe not only the feelings and the season itself, but he's also tried to imbibe within it this feeling of vichora, separation. In our dharma, in the early history, we had to face vichora 5 times. We have 5 moments in our itihas where our Pant, our Sikhs had to face vichora, separation. The first was Nanaki. When her brother left, when Guru Nanak Dev left on the Udasis and he announced to his family that he's leaving and he's going to travel, no one knew when he would come back. Kado aayega murke? How long he will be gone for, nobody knows. Us samay sade panth de vich bahut dukh bhare, vichora-ridden anecdotes and stories of how his sister, who loved him so much, how she felt. Then we hear about the vichora, the separation that Guru Arjan Dev, our 5th master, when he wasn't a guru yet, but his father, Guru Ram Das, sent him to Lahore to a wedding. And he said to Arjan Dev that you are not to return until I call you, until I specifically send you a message to come. And Guru Arjan Dev apne Guru, apne Pita da hukam mande hoye, in adhering to his father's hukam, he went to Lahore to this wedding. His father had also asked Prithi Chand, Guru Arjan Dev's brother, that you are the elder and you should go. Ki sade ghar da vyah hai and we must be represented. Us samay Darbar Sahib di seva chal rahi si. The seva was taking place, the Darbar Sahib was being built. And Guruji themselves could not go, they didn't feel they could leave the seva. But they said, we can send someone. So they asked Prithi Chand, and Prithi Chand saw that Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Ram Das, ke syane ho gaye ne, and I should stay with them because if they pass away, je kuch ho gaya, koi pana vart gaya, I want to be there. I want to be on their right-hand side when they announce who the next Guru is, just before they go. I can't leave. He told the Guru, ke Malik, my father, I cannot go. I've got too many responsibilities in the Darbar. He refused. Guru Arjan Dev, unhone hukam man liya to chal gaye. When he got to Lahore, 2 weeks passed, 3 weeks passed, 4 weeks passed, and he never received a message from his father, the Guru Ram Das, to return. And his father had specifically said that you are not to return until I call you. Every day he is waiting for the postman to arrive. Is there a letter for me? Yes, there is. And I'd eagerly open it, but it wasn't from the Guru. Is there a letter for me? No, there isn't. I'm sorry. Is there a letter for me? Oh, I've got 2 for you today. One of them must be from my father. And in eagerness, he opened both of them, but none of them were from his father. And he began to feel the pang the pain of vichora, separation. He began to miss his father. He wanted to be in that darbar. He wanted to go back. And then you know what he did? He wrote 4 letters to his father. Amni chittiyan likhiyan. Dear father, I am missing you. When can I come back now? Mera man loche gur darshan tai, bilp kare chatrik ki nyai. This Shabad is written in Rag Maj. It's in the Guru Granth Sahib. And we call it the Shabad Hajare. तो उस वक्त उन्होंने 4 शब्द लिखे. Then soon after we come to the time of Guru Har Gobind Sahib. Jahangir had become extremely worried about the growth of this Panth. He'd become concerned that Guru Arjan Dev, a lot of people are flocking to him. He's got a huge following. He sits on a manji. People are donating money to him. They're starting to call him Sacha Badshah. Became very worried. And we know the story of Guru Arjan Dev's martyrdom, the Shahidi. Ota Vichora Siga Lekan. We had a successor, we had Guru Har Gobind Sahib. When one Guru passed, another one stood in his place, and we treated him with the same faith, the same love. So we didn't feel it so much. We felt the fact that our Guru had been martyred. Ota sanu dukh laga. But the Vichora came when Guru Har Gobind Sahib was imprisoned in Gwalior. And now we hear stories of Guruji in Gwalior. And the Sikhs are turning up at the foot of the hills every day, looking up to this fort. That we might just see him up there. We might see a figure up there, it might be the Guru. Every day the Sikhs are flocking there. They're feeling it, my friends. Then we move on. When Guru Har Krishan Sahib passed away, when they went to Sachkhand, the Sikhs asked him, who should we follow now? And Guruji said, they pointed the Sikhs. They didn't tell them exactly what the name was. It's Guru Tegh Bahadur. And then for a long time the Sikhs were searching. Who is the Guru? And then finally, when Guru Gobind Singh passed away, when they were assassinated, they were martyred, they went to Satkhand Chalona Kar gaye. On their last breath, they told us, Hey Gursikho, the line of the Gurus is at an end. After me, you shall follow Guruan de Guru, Jagat Guru, Sri Guru Granth Sahib. He bowed down to the Guru Granth Sahib and told them that this is your Guru. Unada lar frage san. Up till now, my friends, every time a Guru went, there was another Guru sitting in his place. Another Guru sat in his place, Detari Roop, in terms of a physical form. And we didn't feel the Vichora. But when Guru Gobind Sahib went, it took us a while to enshrine our faith in the Guru Granth Sahib. It wasn't straight away. We felt Vichora. We really did feel. Savan sarsamana kanvar se rut aaye, main man tan so paave, per pardes sidaye. My per, my master, oh pardes chal gaye ne. They've gone to somewhere else, to a different country. Per kar nahi aave. He doesn't come home. Mariye have. I feel like I'm dead. Daman chamka daraye. You know, when it rains and we hear the lightning. Daman chamka daraye. Daraye means to fear. I'm scared. I am anxious without him. Sej akeli. I'm on my own. Khari doheli. Marna paya dukh maaye. I really do feel like dying. I feel like I'm dead. Har bin neend bhook ko kaisi. Kapar tan na sukhave. I can't sleep. I can't eat. Kapar tan na sukhave. Sone kapre paaye hoye mainu sone nahi lagde. Nanak sa suhagan kanti pirke ank samave. How beautifully Guru Nanak Dev in this Shabd has enshrined these feelings of Vichora. Savan sarsamana kanavarse rut aaye. Savan sarsamana kanavarse. Savan sarsamana kanavarse. Rut aaye, rut aaye. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।